Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie. It's time for another roller coaster ride. We've got Tigris right here behind us. It's at Busch Gardens next to the tiger enclosure. They've got a beautifully themed area right here, so if you haven't been to Busch Gardens, we're going to do a lot of videos, but this will be the first one out, first right here at the coaster. And join us for the ride and then stick with us afterwards. We'll let you know what we think. I'll just turn it around right there because boy, she's rocking and rolling. And oh boy, this looks like a good one. And we'll see you on the ride. Let's go. Okay, it says it will launch themselves over 20 feet in a single bounce, 60 miles an hour. It looks like we got a little bit of a line, but they are giving us the safety warnings about all those good things, that it's an intense ride. So let's see how it is.
Thank you for riding Tigris and have fun. Boarding guests, step carefully but quickly into the seat that's directly in front of you. Hold the comfort collar up prior to enjoying your ride. Please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train, with your head back against the headrest.
Thank you. I'm in it. Okay, so we launch forward and then we're doing a rollback and then a backwards launch. No, launch forward, slight rollback with a backwards launch up the hill. Oh boy. Prepare yourself, Becky. This one might be more intense than we calculated. And then we'll see. And then it's another front launch for number 3 and then up and over the top. I think we're clear. Here we go. Oh boy. Hold on, everybody. Okay. Need for speed. Oh, Lordy. Oh, man.
Oh my God.
Straight down. Or worse. Oh wow. Down the bend. Okay. I guess I was all right. Oh, okay, alright. I thought it was way longer than that was. It's got a little clip here. You gotta like do a push down and flip forward to get up and out. You gotta flip this part forward. Get your fingers out of there. Yeah. Okay. All right, brief but awesome. And we'll see you in just a minute. We'll let you know what we think. All right. All right, just coming off of Tigris. I had a great ride. What'd you think, Becky?
Yeah, it's definitely like all of the launch elements and that barrel roll, also called a heartline roll, was amazing. Definitely enjoyed the ride.
All right, so I got to talk about the beginning. So we were watching it. We thought maybe the ride was like a lot longer or something like that. Like there was maybe more to it that we couldn't see. At least that's how I felt. It had the 3 launches, which is really good. I guess I was like really all like hyped up. So and then it was like over and almost seemed like it was short or something.
I know. I even said that. I'm like, is that it?
But for what it was, it's a great ride. And really, if you don't like inversions or anything, it's a short one. So I would say you can get on this. It's got that nice long stall. It's kind of cool. That straight down is definitely greater than 90 there. That one drop I thought was nice. And the launch elements are nice. You really get some good speed on that 3rd launch up and over the hill there. And really, it takes you just straight up and down. If it was a little bit taller, I think that like almost like Max Force or something like that. But it does, that stall kind of reminds me of, I think it's Wild Hog or Wild Boar at Indiana Beach. They've got a similar one like that. It's like an El Loco clone. We rode one of those in Adventure Dome in Las Vegas. But anyway, had a great ride on that. Check those videos out if you haven't seen those roller coasters. They're on the channel. Big thank you to all our channel members and loyal subscribers and fellow travelers out there. We appreciate you, and we'll see you all very soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.